welcome to Art Lab today, where we explore the profound influence of art and the key players shaping its landscape. I'm Chelsea. And I'm Nicole. Today, we're diving into the reflections on the roles of artists, curators, critics, and audiences in the vibrant world of art. Let's start with the content. What art means to us and how it impacts our lives. Art has always been a mirror of society, capturing the essence of human experiences, emotions, and aspirations. The role of the artist is bivocal. They are the storytellers, visionaries, and innovators. From the delicate strokes of Renaissance painters to the bold statements of contemporary artists, they challenge us to think deeper and feel more profoundly. And then we have curators, the gatekeepers of art. Their role is crucial in creating spaces where these narratives come alive. They connect the past with the present, carefully choosing pieces that tell a cohesive story. Without them, many masterpieces would remain unseen and underappreciated. Let's talk about feelings. Art evokes powerful emotions: joy, sorrow, anger, hope. Critics play a significant role here. Through their interpretations, they guide us in understanding the layers and nuances of an artwork, making us feel connected even when the piece is abstract or unfamiliar. Absolutely. And we, as the audience, are not passive participants. Our reactions complete the circle of art. A child inspired by a mural, a couple moved by a painting, or a community united by a sculpture. This is the magic of art in action. It's a shared emotional journey. But reflection doesn't end with feelings. It prompts action. Art inspires movements, preserves cultures, and educates future generations. Activists and educators use art as a tool for social change, while collectors and philanthropists ensure its legacy by supporting artists and institutions. And as viewers, our responsibility is to engage with art meaningfully. Visit galleries, support local artists, and share their work. Remember, every interaction with art contributes to its thriving ecosystem. So, as we reflect on the content, feelings, and actions surrounding art, one thing is clear. It's a collaborative effort. Artists, curators, critics, and audiences, and advocates all play indispensable roles in keeping the world of art alive and impactful. That's right, Chelsea, and it's up to us to celebrate and support these key players. Thanks for turning into Art Today Live. Until next time, keep appreciating, creating, and sharing the beauty of art.